I have a small family. There are 4 people in my family: my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. We live in a cozy house filled with love, laughter, and memories. Each of us plays an important role in making our family what it is. My mother's name is Anna. She is a teacher at a local school and is loved by her students for her patience and kindness. At home, she is the glue that holds everything together. She manages to balance her demanding job with being a wonderful mother to my brother and me. Mom starts her day early, preparing breakfast for us and helping my brother and me get ready for school. Even though her job can be exhausting, she never complains and always finds time to listen to our stories, help us with our homework, and make sure we feel supported. In the evenings, after a busy day, Mom often surprises us with homemade treats. Her chocolate chip cookies are famous in our house, and we look forward to them every week. She loves gardening and has turned our balcony into a mini garden filled with colorful flowers, fragrant herbs, and small vegetable plants. On weekends, she teaches us how to care for the plants, and it has become a family activity we all enjoy. My father's name is John. He works in an office as an accountant, but to us, he is much more than that. Dad is the quiet and strong pillar of our family. He believes in hard work and discipline, but has a gentle, caring side when it comes to us. After a long day at work, Dad makes sure to spend time with my brother and me. Every evening, he takes a break from his busy schedule to play board games with us or watch our favorite shows together. Sunday evenings are especially special because that's when he cooks his famous spaghetti for dinner. It's a family tradition, and we all look forward to it. Dad's cooking is always a highlight, and we always try to guess the secret ingredient in his sauce. Dad is also an avid reader and loves history. At dinner, he often shares fascinating stories from the past, teaching us about the world in a way that feels both educational and fun. His sense of humor makes these moments even more enjoyable, and we always learn something new. My younger brother's name is Alex. He is 10 years old and full of energy. Alex is the kind of boy who can never sit still for long. Whether he's playing video games, building Lego structures, or running around outside, there's never a dull moment with him around. His curiosity knows no bounds, and he's always asking questions about everything. Despite his playful nature, Alex has a heart of gold. One of my favorite memories of him is when he saved up his pocket money to buy a small gift for Mom on her birthday. He had been planning it for weeks and kept it a secret. When Mom opened the gift and saw the thoughtful present, she was so touched, and Alex's proud smile was priceless. He also helps me with my chores when I have too much on my plate, and we often team up to tackle tasks together. Alex's ability to make us laugh is one of his greatest gifts. No matter how bad a day we're having, he always knows how to lighten the mood with his silly jokes and funny stories. His laughter is contagious, and it brings joy to our whole family. As for me, I am the eldest child in the family, and I take my role seriously. I help my parents with household chores, take care of Alex when my parents are busy, and do my best to be a good example for him. I enjoy reading books, writing stories, and spending quality time with my family. One of my favorite things to do is write about the adventures we have as a family. Whether it's a trip to the park or a quiet evening at home, I always find inspiration in the little moments that make our family unique. I also love how we support each other, whether it's cheering each other on during a difficult moment or celebrating the small victories in life. Weekends in our household are always a time for relaxation and fun. On Saturday mornings, we like to sleep in a little longer than usual, and our kitchen fills with the delicious aroma of pancakes or French toast as Dad often takes over breakfast duties. After a leisurely breakfast, we spend time together as a family doing activities we all enjoy. Sometimes we head out to the local park, where Dad plays football with Alex while Mom and I go for a walk around the lake. On rainy days, we stay indoors and have a movie marathon, complete with popcorn and blankets. It's during these moments that I feel closest to my family, as we share laughter and make memories that we'll cherish forever. In the afternoons, Mom tends to her plants, and we all help her water them and rearrange pots. It's a peaceful routine that brings us closer together. Our weekends often extend beyond just our immediate family. We are very close to our extended family, and they often visit us, or we visit them. My grandparents, both maternal and paternal, live not too far from us, so we see them frequently. Mom's parents, Grandma and Grandpa, are wonderful people. Grandma is a fantastic cook, and we love visiting her on Sundays for family lunch. She makes the most delicious roast dinners, and we all gather around the table to share stories and enjoy her cooking. Grandpa loves telling old family stories, and we often listen to him for hours, fascinated by his wisdom and humor. Dad's parents, Grandma and Grandpa, are just as special to us. Grandpa is an artist, and he often shows Alex and me how to draw or paint. He has a beautiful garden at his house, filled with flowers and sculptures, and we spend hours exploring it. Grandma is a soft-spoken woman with a heart full of love. She is always there to offer advice and comfort whenever we need it. We also have a large group of cousins who live nearby. Our weekends are never complete without their visits. The cousins are always up for games, whether it's a football match in the yard or a competitive round of charades. Our house is always filled with the sounds of laughter and playful teasing when they're around. Birthdays in our family are always full of excitement. We celebrate each one with joy, from the big parties to the small family gatherings. On my birthday, I always look forward to waking up to a room filled with balloons and a special breakfast made by Mom. The highlight is always the birthday cake that Mom bakes, decorated with colorful icing and candles. We make sure to celebrate Alex's birthday in a fun way, often with a themed party based on his favorite things, like superheroes or video games. Family and friends gather at our house, and we play games, eat pizza, and enjoy the birthday cake. Alex's favorite part is when we all sing happy birthday, and his excitement is contagious. Christmas is a particularly magical time for our family. Every year, we decorate the house with sparkling lights, hang stockings by the fireplace, and put up a beautiful Christmas tree. The house smells of pine and cinnamon, and there's a sense of wonder in the air. On Christmas Eve, we have a cozy dinner with our extended family, and we exchange gifts with everyone. Christmas morning is always the most anticipated part of the holiday. We wake up early, eager to see what Santa has left under the tree. After opening presents, we spend the day together playing with our new toys, enjoying a festive lunch, and sharing stories about past Christmases. It's a time for bonding, laughter, and making memories that will last a lifetime. My family is my biggest source of happiness and support. We may be small in number, but the love we share makes our bond unbreakable. The laughter, the lessons, and the care we show one another are what make our family so special. I feel incredibly lucky to have such wonderful people in my life, and I try my best every day to make them proud.